I'm guessing dumplings of some kind, but I don't know what the word in Kazakh or Kyrgyz or Russian would be. But it looks like dumplings. I know more about Kazakh food than I do Kyrgyz, but I know about lakman, beshbarmak. I'm excited. It looks fun.
I've never prepared any dumplings before, no, so this is my first time actually doing it. Yeah. I've tasted manti before, the pumpkin manti specifically. I love dumplings overall, and it's very tasty. We've been in Kyrgyzstan since Monday, so I think it's been 4 days now. We went to the Ala Archa National Park, which is around 40 minutes, I think, south of here, and it was one of the most beautiful places, just untouched nature, completely unspoiled. It was one of the most beautiful places that we, as a group of 10, have ever seen. Yeah.
I've eaten manti, but never cooked it. This is my first time. Well, I've had it with pumpkin and with meat. I actually had pumpkin manti for lunch, so it's really good. Lots of spices. Well, we're doing ours with lots of spices. I have no idea how we're gonna cook it though. We're doing tacos. We're from America. We just do tacos. Kyrgyz food is really good and interesting and a different flavor palette than what we're used to.
After the first one, it kind of got easier after the first one. And then working together, we were able to do this many. So I'm teaching in India, so this is completely different.
3 more minutes.
So this is the first time. I've never been to this part of the world, so I like it a lot. Yeah.
I have not made bağırsak before. This is my first time ever making bağırsak. But I have made manti before, which was very fun. I made it in the United States. I hope it tastes delicious because it's one of my favorite Central Asian foods. I live and work in Kazakhstan, so we have it a lot. I like palau and I like samsa, and I've had beshbarmak and kurdak and things like that. So I like it a lot. And it's really delicious, especially like manti, right, or samsa with tikva or pumpkin is really delicious.